Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to demystify the process of importing a CSV file into CLICKUP, making it easier than ever. First things first, log into your CLICKUP workspace. The reason we do this is to ensure that the file gets uploaded to the right location. You wouldn't want your important data ending up in a different workspace, would you? Next up, go to the lower left corner of your workspace and click on the Import/Export button. This is where the magic really starts. This is where you get to choose the CSV file you'd like to import. Now, click on the Import option and select CSV. This helps us because it allows CLICKUP to know exactly what type of file we're dealing with here. Once you've selected CSV, you'll need to click on Choose a File. Here's where you'll navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is stored. This is crucial because without selecting the right file, we cannot move on to the next step of the process. Got your file selected? Great. Now, click on Open. What's happening behind the scenes here is that CLICKUP is now preparing to import all the data from your CSV file into your workspace. Now that we've done that, the final step is to match the columns in your CSV file with the fields in CLICKUP. This is important because it ensures your data gets imported into the correct fields. Once you've matched everything up, hit Start Import, and voila, your CSV file is now being imported into CLICKUP. So there you have it, your complete 2025 guide to importing CSV files into CLICKUP. It's a simple process, but understanding each step makes it even easier. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.